Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a Coach unbagging or a Coach haul, I would say, since there's not a box, but we are absolutely unbagging. These are smaller items, so I will save these for last. Y'all, the sale got me again. I thought that I was done for the year, but that was not the case. So y'all, since this went on sale and I had already thought about this particular color, I went ahead and got it, y'all. So this is the color black and the code for large Rowan. And I found it at an outlet because I was going to order it from online, but then with all of the Christmas shipping and delays, the holiday delays and things like that, I decided to go ahead and get it in store. This was as close as they had to factory wrapping, so I figured it was okay. But y'all, this is the large Coach Rowan in the color black, in the pebble leather. I'm sure you all have seen this unboxed before, but I wanted to share this with you all as well because this is a color that I do not have in the Rowan. My previous videos you've probably seen. If not, absolutely check them out to see the other colors that I have that I previously shared. And if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for watching. And if you feel like you'd like to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Welcome back, and thank you so much to all of my returning viewers and subscribers as well. But y'all, yeah, the black got me. It was one that I wanted before. Like I said, I did get a black barrel, but it's smaller, and so I did want to go ahead and get this one, especially at that price. I kind of figured that it wouldn't go any lower than that, so why not? All right, y'all. So I am just going to go ahead and unwrap her, and so you all can see. I was actually surprised that they had some with some wrapping still on them. I don't know why that they're so quick to unwrap everything. I do understand you're putting it out on the floor, but when you have bags in the back room, inventory that's not out, especially around the holidays, you're gonna have people that want the packaging on there, that they're giving it as a gift. So I guess they kind of caught on to that, and they actually had some that weren't already unwrapped. So now you all, it started with the maple and the ivory as far as the leather. It initially started with the canvas, black and walnut and gold. So it moved on to the maple and the ivory, and now we're at the black, which I am loving. I think the height, outside of the silhouette of this bag, the height of it and the zipper that comes down to the side is really what makes this bag a favorite of so many people. It's really a good carry, especially this back zipper, how long it is. And you're able to put your phone in it and keys and have room. Yes, that's all of that. All of the little details of this bag is what makes it a very, very popular bag. It's absolute a winner that Coach got right. I'm still looking forward, y'all, to seeing some more colors. I'm crossing my fingers that they put out like a yellow, orange, or pink, something bright for the spring and summer. But I did recently see that they have like a quilted collection coming out to the outlet, y'all. So that's gonna be fun to see as well. A quilted Rowan, that's gonna be cute. So I'm not sure when those are gonna be released or if they're already released, but just to certain locations. I did not see them on the website, but a quilted Rowan, that's an absolute smart move to do that, because that's bringing over a lot of the retail features over to the outlet side, which is what I like to see. And y'all can comment below, let me know which color Rowan, if you are a fan of the large Coach Rowan. What is your favorite color? Is it the canvas? One of the canvas colors, because I believe there's like at least three different canvas colors. Or do you prefer one of the leather colors? Let me know, and what colors you all are looking forward to seeing to be released in 2025. But y'all, if they make a large quilted Coach Rowan, those would absolutely sell out really quick. So I am looking forward to see what they have for us. So with this being black on the exterior, we do have a dark brown interior on this. A zipper pocket on the back. And a snap slip pocket here on the front. And you see it does have the gold hardware. This is the hang tag for it, along with the color code. And the strap that goes from shoulder and can be extended to be a crossbody strap as well. And it does have Coach on the hardware also. Alright, y'all, so that is the large black Coach Rowan. And I am going to go ahead and open my other smaller items. Let me see how my little charm looks on here while I have it sitting in front of me. I think that's cute. And y'all, this bow, the bag is slouchy. So you can absolutely put an organizer in here if you did want to have the bag looking more formed. And that will give it some shape. Or help it keep its shape, should I say. And make sure I showed the feet. Pretty sure I did. Close-ups of the leather. It's just a black bag, but it's pretty. Very classic color. Can't go wrong with the black bag. And that's the large Coach Rowan in the color black. So let's look at these other smaller items. See, look, y'all, I could have lost my little leather attachment for the strap. So I'm going to make sure that I put that in there. And then on to my smaller items, y'all. This comes from looking around the store and looking, not just looking at what they have for you to see immediately. But I did find y'all a corner zip wristlet. I had not seen this color before. It does have silver hardware on it, and the silver Coach lettering as well. But this color is green. It's like a very dark green. Not dark, deep. It's a very deep green. And y'all, this wristlet was like, that's without the lighting. As you know, greens can be funny on camera. But y'all, this wristlet was like, I think it was $17. Between $17 and $19. Okay, it's emerald green. And that's the color code for it. And I think this was the only one I saw, y'all. They had a lot of corner zip wristlets in like a tote on a table for you to kind of pick through. So I was like, okay, I guess they're trying to get rid of these. They must have some new colors coming or something. This was the only green one that I saw. So absolutely grab this one with it being less than $20. And then I did look at the planners. I think those were on sale for $38. A lot of them were unwrapped. So I was going through the drawer. And y'all, I found this one in the drawer wrapped. And I had to like look in it to see like, what is it? What's the pattern? And I asked her to check the price. Y'all, this planner, you won't believe. Well, you might. I don't know if you have these kind of sales and deals at the outlet sometimes. But y'all, this planner was on sale. No, it was on clearance for a whopping $13. And this was the only one, because if it wasn't, I probably would have got two. But this was the only one, y'all, for $13. So I went ahead and got it. I kind of wanted to get the leather one, but I said, and the leather one was about the same color. It's the solid color. I think it's called taffy. But I said $38, $13. Which one? And it's just going to cover the notebook. And I can take this out and put a planner or anything else that I want to put in here. So this was another good find. So to get this for like $13, the wristlet was between $17 and $19. And then the bag was already on sale. I think I did pretty good. I would say that's a good trip to the store. And I'm glad I did check ahead of time to be sure that they had, like I said, the black that was in the wrapping already, and they did. But I did not expect to find the notebook or the wristlet. So great finds and very cute color. I did not expect to find this a cherry notebook cover. Has Coach there and there. Very pretty. And this shouldn't have any problem. I'm going to see how it fits in the Rowan, if it's easy to fit in there or not. It should be, I would say. But y'all, these were my finds. So I hope you all like this video. It's not too long. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. And I absolutely do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. And as always, you all have a very, very wonderful day.